Hello everyone สวัสดีค่ะเดี๋ยววันนี้เรามาแต่งคัพเค้ก New Year Cupcake New Year's Cupcake We will decorate together Easy and fast not complicated at all when you prepare I do prepare before I decorate and you just put on your cupcake boom 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 look see the gold is made from white fondant like this you add the golden yellow fondant golden yellow right mix this amount I use only 2 drops golden yellow easy to apply the gold and make your star look shiny 3 millimeter right
2 to 3
millimeter small it shake a little bit put in here flour make the small flour keep maybe a couple hours sometimes you need to apply a little bit water to the wire when dry it's better to connect together and then I just use this one gold dust I use this one and high percentage of alcohol mix with the gold dust so easy New Year cupcake I prepare some of star and some of the isomalt it is the chocolate cupcake I have the whole set this isomalt when it's a little warm and soft I just add
pearls
pearl make color from fondant just add in here the star are made from fondant yes my favorite thing how are you doing thank you for watching oh this year is snake year of the snake oh okay now I'm gonna mix in red and white I will make the red allow the cupcake and white inside Have you subscribed to my channel? Okay ขอบคุณทุกท่านเลยนะคะที่เข้ามาให้กำลังใจค่ะ Thank you I just add the isomalt I already prepared, so it's gonna be easier. Way I love my goddess. Pop. I will put red and green, red and green. Spray Kodak then. Year of snake. No snake allowed here. It's like a rose. Here, and I also have the ribbon. Use more green. Make from fondant, and then you apply some gold, make it shiny, and just connect with the wire. But when you give to customer, you need to tell them, making sure the children safe. Also adult safe too. Don't eat the wire. New Year is a lot of color, so I will mix color together. I love gold dust. It make the cake look shiny and more wire. See, you can decorate very easy and fast, not complicated at all. When you prepare, I do prepare before I decorate, and you just put on your cupcake. Boom, boom, boom. It is all eatable except the wire.